guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my kitchen. I know it's been a while. Yeah, it feels like it's been really a while. So today I want to bake mint bread. So I will attach a clip of how I make my mint powder, or how I prepare like mint powder for usage in baking. So I think I'm just going to get the ingredients ready and then we do this. Welcome back guys. I am so sorry that I haven't done any videos lately. Life has been so busy. I've been trying to manage a lot of things at once, and editing videos is definitely not I made it not a priority, but I want to try at least and see how I can do this. So most probably you'll be seeing more of me. So I'm going to go right ahead and get my ingredients here and then we can do this. So I'm gonna start with my basin first. So this is the one that I'm gonna use. It's already dry on the inside, so got that. I'm gonna make this. I want to do a big mint bread. I'm also gonna do rosemary bread, but I think I did a video on making rosemary bread like 2 years ago, so you can check it down on my video list, or I'm gonna attach it on the link on top. So I'm gonna get 4 eggs. Please don't roll over. And instead of using milk, so if you see in my previous video I used milk, so instead of using milk, since I'm literally avoiding milk, so I don't have it in the house right now, and I just decided on doing this like impromptu, so I'm gonna be using mala. This is like fermented milk. It also works good in baking, so I'm gonna be using that. And then I have my activated yeast. That then another thing, I don't take sugar, so I had this icing sugar in the house because of doing like icing some cakes, and I still have it. So it's the one I'm gonna use to make the bread, because I don't even want the bread to be so sugary. So this will fit okay for me, but you can use brown sugar if you have it. Is the best for bread. So I'm gonna use this in place of sugar. Let me see what else I need. So I'm gonna use this mint, the one that is not crushed completely, the one I'm gonna use for my bread. I like to feel the warmness in the bread. I'm also gonna add some seeds. So let me do, this is sesame, these are sesame seeds. Yeah, so I'm also gonna use that. I don't think I'm going to add anything else other than the sesame seeds and maybe some pumpkin seeds. I don't know where my pumpkin seeds went. Oh, here they are. Yeah, I don't think I have chia. Chia is the one that I like putting on top of bread. So let's see whether I have chia. Oh my god, it's just very little remaining. So we can still put it there just in case you need it. So let me see what else is remaining. What else is remaining for my baking? I'm so excited today, you guys. You have no idea. Like it's been a while. I need my oil. I think the only thing remaining is oil, and also since I need my milk warm, I will just have to warm some water so that I can put like the amount of milk I'm using in the water. I don't think I need anything else. Actually, that's all you need. So just a minute. I don't know whether you know this, but I love home baked bread. So this is it's just the it to me. So yeah. As the water heats, let me just get my spoons and my cup. Let me be measuring the ingredients that I'll be using. I'll start with sugar, of course. So sugar, Matthew, I'm not doing a small bread, so I'm using 4 cups of flour. That is what I forgot. I forgot flour. You guys didn't tell me that. And oil. Okay, so let's do this. I'm actually gonna write here, so let me also switch my movie on. I'm watching You season 4. I was so much waiting for this series, so I'm gonna be watching that as I prepare like the dough for bread. So I'll be writing, and then I'll be using captions to tell you guys the amount of whatever that you need to use. Yeah. just hoping that this is going to activate the yeast. I don't. Okay, I struggled to get this open and I tore it badly, so I have to move it to this. So there. Back to my movie. Let me put my milk into. So I'll be using 1 full cup of the milk. It was in the fridge, so that's why I need to warm it to make it a bit warm. Like this. No, definitely not there. Of course there wasn't it. No, really, so.
It's like if you first fire past it in your wallet. Every little slit is proof that you can never get away. What happened to you? My story isn't as exciting as yours, but I know the feeling.
Actually,
I believe you. Well, I believe you can. There you are. Do you know when you found me? I can't. Since when? Since now. Okay, yeah, different magic. Sorry. I was searching roads for proof it's you. Okay, where is it? The thing that proves to me you aren't him. You know, serious box, okay, that's something. What's in me?
So here's my dough. So gonna let it sit for 30 minutes to 60 minutes. So could be 45 minutes to 1 hour anyway until it rises, because I feel like I should place it outside somewhere so that it is in a warm place. So let's do that and then wait for it. I'm just gonna cover it and put it in a warm place. So if you have a bread basket, this rate usually works, but for me, I'm gonna do this and put it aside. So I already made the rosemary dough, so that one is not yet, but it's still doing well. So let's leave that to continue rising and let us check. Oh, that one did. It rose so well. Oh my god, you guys. Now that's butter bread dough. Look, it's risen so well, so perfectly fine. Look, I'm so happy. So it's risen really well. This is such a perfect dough. Such a perfect dough. This is baking so far. It's still rising, as you can see. So now I have just some mallow over here. Just gonna apply it on the top like that. This helps with browning. Just remembered right now that I've not like switched on the oven. Yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that right after I'm done preparing these. So this is the mint bread. This is the pasta that I prepared. So hoping to get some good results. But 10 minutes is also very mint. So this is that easy to do. I'm just going to do simple, just like that. And then this one is. So that's it. Feel like so I had some share. Maybe I can put share in this one. The share is very little, so it might not be enough. So yeah, it's my mint bread. Let me get the oven. Okay, so now my oven is ready. Just going to put my bread in. Yep. And let's bake. See how pretty they're sitting in there.